beautiful. It's a girl making. So I'm going to take you through on how to do knotless braids. So I'm going to apply a little bit of braiding gel on the hair scalp. So I changed my braiding gel. After changing, I wanted to try this new one so that I can hear some reviews of my clients. So this is how I did it. I partitioned it into 3 like that, then divided like that into 3, sorry, pulled it out, pinned it with my fingertips so that to have a firm neat hair. Then I did 4 knots. After doing 4 knots, I'm going to add bits and bits of braids as I'm adding them underneath my fingertips. This one is a medium-sized hairstyle, medium-sized knotless braid. Okay, there's a small size and there's a medium size and the bigger sizes. Okay, so this one, as you can see, I've added like 3 same size. The 4 sizes are a bit medium of size, bit bigger than the first size. So I'm going so that I can have an uniformity of my braids, so that the same have you ever realized that at the center of your hair it's a lot than the back and at the frontal part? So what do you do about it? You add little by little in the middle part of it, so that you can never have fat things, bigger things at the middle part. So I'm trying to make it become tighter but not loose, so that it cannot get old so very fast. I'm pleating use backward method because I am a right-handed, I guess. Also I can use the frontal method where I can do it all without any struggles. Then here we go. This is this is how I did my hair, as you can see as I'm zooming it round for you to see the frontal part and the back part. Very neat work, very smart work. I'm proud for myself. Congratulations, Mickens. So if you're a new subscriber, don't forget to subscribe. If you have a comment, please, or want to ask a question, don't forget to subscribe and ask the question in the comment section, and don't forget to share. Bye bye, have a nice day, enjoy the rest of the video.